Welcome.
What up, y'all? In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the SOX command line tool and see how easy it is to convert, edit, manipulate audio files and quick commands in the terminal. So first thing you're going to want to do is run brew install SOX. In our case, it's already installed. Once you got it installed, you're going to want to navigate to a directory that has an audio file. For this example, we'll use this welcome.aiff file.
Welcome to the terminal.
And first thing we'll do is just convert it to a WAV file.
File's done.
Boom.
Welcome to the terminal.
And you see how fast that works. And it supports a whole bunch of different audio formats like FLAC, MP3, OGG. So whatever type of file you need, it's going to be able to get you going.
Welcome to the terminal.
If you want to get more crazy with it than just converting from one format to another, it's easy enough to go ahead and ask one of the LLM chats, the AIs, for some examples, such as, let's see, 10 example SOX commands for welcome.wav. So let's see about reversing the audio. We'll do a pitch change here.
Welcome to the terminal.
Let's do increase the volume.
Welcome to the terminal.
So as you can see, it's got a lot of power, a lot of different things you can do. For example, let's do add a delay and compression to welcome.wav. And I can do that all just with one command. You might need to play around a little bit if it gives you a command that doesn't work, but if you check the SOX docs, the SOX documentation, you'll be able to see all the different effects that it has, because it's got a bunch. For example, here, you can generate your own sound effects. You can even use it to record audio from your mic or from your desktop. So I suggest getting familiar with it. If you do anything with audio, it's a big help. Let me know what you think. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Goodbye.